So, as principal said, we are observing the Rashtria Ekta diwas, and on this Ekta diwas, Unity Day, we remember Sardar Valave Bhai Patel. He was the first Home Minister of India, and we had very many leaders who are reputed with different ideologies. As we know, Mahatma Gandhi, he was deemed for truth and sacrifice. Likewise, first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, he is known for his democratic policies, which where he had where he was successful in foreign policies, and India was in that poor situation brought about to the development. Likewise, the first Home Minister Sardar Valave Bhai Patel worked very hard to unify India as well as unify the people of different caste, creed, religion. So let us remember him taking a pledge, oath, and implement in our life to be united so that the country can go ahead unifiedly. Please stretch your hand. I solemnly pledge that I dedicate myself to preserve the unity, integrity, and security of the nation, and also strive hard to spread this message among my fellow countrymen. I take this pledge in the spirit of unification of my country, which was made possible by the vision and actions of Sardar Valave Bhai Patel. I also solemnly resolved to make my own contribution to ensure internal security of my country. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir.